Alright, this is my bike check. Really nice bike. I love it. It's so light. My Tonka first gear. As you can see, it's a Tonka. I got my seat up so I can do my tail whips. My one-piece crank holding up really good. My pedal bearings are a little messed up, but still a good bike all around. No, I'm just fucking with you. This is my bike. 2005 Fit Pro. It's on YouTube. I don't think you've seen my We the People peg. I put a different peg on the front. That's my other bike. Oh. My new pedals. Odyssey Trail Mix pedals. Really nice pedals. As a matter of fact, they kicked my ass today. I did a bear hop and right up my shin they went. As you know, I have fly bars. Double wall rims front and back. Couple new additions to the bike were the pedals, my new hub, and my premium product sprocket. I'm running 2510
Proper Bike Co.
hub. Pretty nice hub actually. If Tree Pies will take over, get a nice sound of this.
Okay, we get it.
It's a little off balance, but I'll get that fixed. Premium product seat. What else is there? Not really much of anything. I will be painting it here pretty soon. I do want to paint it. Anyway, let's see. That's about it.
Sprocket you saw, yeah.
Yeah, I showed him the sprocket. I'll
Peg,
keep you. Yeah,
peg.
I showed him that.
Yeah.
We the People. I'll keep you updated. I don't know what's gonna go on there next. That speck of dirt's really nice. Oh. I don't know what I'm gonna do to it next. I'd like to paint it. Either paint it, new headset, maybe a new front hub. Just to make sure I want everything perfect. I want to repaint it really bad. My freaking headset's out of whack. Anyway, keep you updated on that. See ya.